go. Let's start with the front housing. Because it's a two-piece housing, which makes it a little more difficult to get something to hold these. Transmission in neutral. Drain, transmission. Remove the backup light switch. There's two. Your speedometer, backup light switch. 22's on there. It's dirty. This is Pollock, P-O-L-L-A-K, and it's got looks like 3 LB on it, an A on the other side, button. So we'll try it probably again. Backup switch is out on the shift tire. That's already off. I don't know how it wouldn't be. A shift shaft lock bolt from the top of the front housing. It's a special bolt. It's probably 1/2. Yep, 1/2. This one has blue sealant, and that doesn't look good. If I can get a new one of these, I probably will. There's like a little, I don't know where the camera is. There's a little scratch right here on the bottom of it. It doesn't look catastrophic, but in the bag. From the front housing, carefully pry the retainer. Okay. This is the tank. It's a 10. Easy. Listen to it. Get between them. They're all the same. I don't really want to stick this in here. It's dirty on the inside. Oh, it's grease. Okay. So this hole right here is your oil feed. So there's a pump in here somehow. How does it? Well, I understand it's a hole. How does oil? Gravity? Interesting. How? It's opening up, but I don't know how to walk it off of there. How am I supposed to walk that off of there? What is it? Oh, that was almost it. You fuck. I guess I'm twisting stuff around. Okay, we just made sparks on that one. Right there. Okay, see if I can get the other one. How the fuck am I supposed to walk that off while it's expanding? What the fuck is going on now? This fucking comes off. That's it. Alright, so I got it to start coming off. Okay. Okay, so next up, I need to remove this shifter detemp fluid. It's metal and I'm pretty sure it's got a little rubber coating on it. It's a little lip. But I'll see if I can get it off without a slide hammer, but I'm probably gonna need a slide hammer. case. Oh, it's moving. I think it was moving. It's chipping the aluminum. I can't tell if it moved. Fucking breaking. I think it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. Just gotta try not. Yep. I could have swore that bitch moved. Oh, there it comes. And it is fucking up that case, but it's not anything too bad, I don't think. Can I get on the other side? Oh, yeah. So let me show you guys what I'm actually doing here. I'm one-handed. Getting that behind there, and then twisting to get that leverage, but as you can see, it is scratching up the case quite a bit. That's so close. Okay, there's the detent. A little bit mangled. I'll have to get a new one. Other pieces in there or something? Maybe it's supposed to be green. A little bit of wear on the end. Now, remove bolts that attach the front housing to the rear housing. Okay, I think that's all the bolts. Count them up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's a pin. There's a pin. Oh, I heard something. It already feels like it's gonna. Definitely going through. Okay, that one's out. That was the side on the top. There's the other one, top side. Nice. I do have to find the culprit. Okay, you got this little spring, and also this little, there you go, little detent or something. I'm assuming it sits on the end of that spring. Pull these out. I do have some concerning chunks of aluminum here. I'm really hoping this is just from the shift fork. There's only a few little pieces here, and they're trapped. They're trapped down here, and I'm assuming that's what this is for. Right by the drain plug. Let's see. Holy shit. A good bit of metal shaving stuck there. I'm still not seeing anything that they came from. Let's go back to one. It's in my hands. I mean, so to my eye, a lot of this and these teeth have little scratches on them, but it looks like it got thrown down here pretty quick and collected. Maybe the oil was low, that could have been good. Yep, bell housing's off. We're gonna take some time and clean this up before going any further. So that's a concerning amount of aluminum. On the drain plug. I'm hoping it's all from this. And it seems like there's a collection basket down here, and it was all, I mean, it was caked up in there. So I'm hoping it didn't spin around in here too long.